Daily interactions with customers looks a little different. So that could be anything from going to their office and visiting with them, walking through an order, making sure that everything is correct on that order, and then also going to job sites with them, watching the product be installed, not just answering a phone call when they're calling us to say, hey, we need this from you. It's how is your kid doing? Where'd you go on vacation? Not to mention building relationships with customers is one of the funnest parts of the job that has kept me, wanting to go every single day and sell our product.